fried chicken, waffle batter. We're gonna make fried chicken and waffles. I'm gonna put both recipes for the waffle and the fried chicken right down below in the directions. You want to stick around for the rest of this video because we got so much to share, and we're always going to want to ask you to support us on Patreon because you'll find out why it's so important. I'm Chef Don McMillan, and I am cooking today, and we are doing a wonderful American favorite. It's going to be a worldwide favorite. We're going to cook our wonderful fried chicken and the waffles. Definitely want to get that. Listen, please subscribe. We have so much more to share. We don't want you to miss any of our videos. So you also got to tap the bell and, of course, leave any comments. Let's talk about it. Maybe want to share some recipes with me. You know, as chefs, we love to share. We do this all the time. Now we're going to make some waffles. Check this out. Our waffle iron. Let's hit a little bit of spray on there. And this is our waffle batter. This is the batter we made with yeast. This is a yeast dough, okay? This makes your waffles much more lighter, much more fluffier. It's like those you get in Europe when you're in Belgium or if you're in Luxembourg. They are delightful. Let's get this thing cooking. All right, there's that buzzer went off. Look at that. Oh, look at that. My goodness. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful waffle. Come over here, baby. Let's put this one right here on the top. Let's hook it up. We got some butter. You know you're gonna want some butter. Nice, creamy, fresh butter on here. Let it just melt and, oh goodness. Isn't that something? Look at our chicken. Fried chicken, there you go. And more fried chicken. I said I'm gonna share these recipes with you, so you gotta check right below the directions. I've got the recipes. I'm going to hook it up for you. Okay? Syrup. This is a true treat. It is one that is very famous around our country. I was in Charleston, South Carolina, and I had some wonderful chicken and waffles, and now you're going to enjoy it. So, please support us on Patreon. We're going to give you exclusive content. We're going to give you early access, behind the scenes that you're going to want to know about, and we're going to do it without ads. Remember, you have to subscribe. You have to tap that bell. Make it ring. Make us happy. I love hearing that bell ring. And I want to personally comment with that. So we've got some really, really good treats for you. All right. I've got my main man here, Andrew. We're going to chow down on this chicken and waffles, fried chicken and waffles. Tell me what you think about it, man. Let's go.
I love Belgian waffles.
And fried chicken. What a tasty combination. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, if I had dinner plans, there it went. Really good.
Wow.
You're gonna want, yeah.
Delicious.
You're gonna want to get these recipes because they're right down below. And you definitely want to contact us about Patreon because when you do that, we're going to give you exclusive content, early access, behind the scenes, and so much more without any ads. Subscribe, tap that bell, make it ring, and put some comments because we're going to want to share with them. Not only that, Andrew's going to want to share something else with you right now.
For every 50 subscribers, you leave in a comment that you subscribe. We'll pick one out of every 50 and we'll send this to you for absolutely free, just for subscribing to our channel. We hope to see you in the next video.
Yes, we do. You don't want to miss it. We've got lots of good food.
Let's eat some more of this.
Why? What do you think?
Yeah,
There's plenty. All right. Before we finish all this, we just want you to know that all of our recipes are simple and
delicious.
That's right. Got it.
By the way, this is delicious.
This is delicious.
And simple.
No.
Hey, that's my piece.
Okay. Stop eating. I'm talking to myself.
I'm gonna eat the fried chicken. What do you think?
Take the whole thing.
I think I will.
Take it to bed with you.
This is the fluffiest, lightest.
Wait a minute. Did you get any fried chicken, Louie? Yep, he got some.
I know little Daisy did. A little tiny piece before we put anything on there. She loved it.
She loved it. That's right.
Check out Daisy in our videos.
Yeah.
We just adopted her 7 days ago, and we absolutely love her to death, and she loves being with us. So you'll see her in some more of our videos. Talk to you later.